Physiological characteristics of newborns. Circulation. Heart murmurs and uneven heartbeats. Totally normal in the first few days. It's often just a temporary sound from a vessel that hasn't closed yet. Newborns also have more blood in their torso than limbs, so hands and feet may feel cold or look bluish. Just keep them warm. Heart rate ranges. First, 24 hours, 85到145击点米。First week, 100到175击点米。Weeks 2到4, 115到190击点米。Don't stress over a fast or uneven heartbeat. It's part of newborn development.